Cruising through the lava, man. That's pretty rad. Yeah, yeah. Too much to look at, not paying attention on the road. Right? Well, I'm sure it looks a little different other than white stuff all over the place. Yeah, right. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It is, right? all the fun parts I have not filmed. Yeah. I'm sure even once you play with the suspension, get that dialed in, it'll handle even way better, you know? Won't bottom out on you, won't feel like it's bouncing and pogo sticking and no. Dude, this is a rad road. Got a little cross-roaded up there. From what I saw. Yeah. Just in snow. Right, right. Yeah. Dude, this is fun. Engine brake, bro. Slamming into first. Right now I'm in second. I was in third. Yeah. Dude, this is a good ride right here. This is fun. Yeah, so this road will take a right, I think, up here. Heck yeah. Oh, I guess it's just part of the road, so no. Just circles around. It looked like there was another spur off road on the left, but oh yeah. No. Oh yeah. They find their ways, man. Right? Oh yeah. I thought it was up a little higher because the whoops are just like one after another after another after another up here, but I might be wrong. I think so. But I could be wrong, dude. This is cool. Maybe we should get that. Look at getting that fixed, bro. You know, brakes might be important. Right, yeah. Not a tank, not pegs, not a lowering linkage. Right, yeah, not a jet. Let's go faster with no brakes. Yeah, heck yeah. Right, yeah, there you go. But they also don't turn left or right, or they only turn left. Right. Dude, this is fun. Oh, heck yeah. This might be a luge. I don't know, dude. This is flowy. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think you're. Yeah, no brake light. Yeah. Yeah.